Also, like, one thing I wanted to know, you know, I had asked Jay earlier, I wanted to know your opinion and your top females in the game, because, you know, we love, you know, female battle rap. We love what the ladies are doing in the game. Suge, what's good?
Alright, bet. I'm going to go from bottom, I'm going to go 5 down to my 1.
Alright, bet.
This is in order. 5. I'm gonna go with Shuni. 4. Who I like, yo? Like what? Tori Doe. I got a grudge match with her too. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm waiting for Debo. What's up, man?
Yeah. I remember that.
You had me face off with her.
I remember.
You know what I'm saying? Come on. Who I said? She number 4. Tori Doe number 4. Number 3. E-Heart. My top 2, man.
E-Heart.
Jazz and Rapper number 2. I already know what number 1 is.
And who's your number 1? Who's your number 1, Chef?
Miss Hustle, man.
Okay. Yeah,
nice, man.
Yeah, nah, she's an animal. What you think about Miss Hustle versus my verse? If that go down right there,
see it.
Cause she say, "Who the fuck?"
Nobody.
That's what she said. Yeah.
Bitch. Like she trying to come up, fuck out of here. Oh shit.
Yeah, I see the. Yeah, I spoke to her. And she said the same thing. She was like, "You know, who the fuck is my verse?"
Is my verse?
I'm like, damn.
Battle, like, and they think she to go and she did that against Bonnie. Fuck is Bonnie. She says.
Who you rather see, my verse with Miss Hustle or Bonnie? Because you seen what they both did.
I need to see. I need to see that. I need to see Bonnie.
Bonnie and Miss Hustle.
I'd rather see that. Yeah. I need to see that.
You know who I'm picking.
I need to see that shit. I should FaceTime Hustle right now. Like, I need to see you battle Bonnie. She probably have a shit.
Yeah, you should FaceTime, but hit up.
I'm about to hit her right now. I'm on your camera. She probably have a shit.
You know how niggas used to be like,
because we get Miss Hustle versus Bonnie. That'd be a crazy battle.
I need to see that on Born Legacy or some shit.
That'd be fire. Who'd you have winning? Bonnie versus my verse.
I ain't really watch it, but they said it was a good battle. I ain't
Nah, that shit was a dope battle.
Like I know it was a good battle because everybody was talking about this shit. So.
Nah, because my verse was just looking cuter, so they edged it. And Bonnie came in the rap.
They asked, I think Don't Fuck asked my verse to battle me.
You said what?
Turned me down.
You said my verse to battle you?
Yeah, and she turned me down, yo. So she really turned me down.
Top 10.
My verse
turned me down though.
Yeah.
She ain't want this sauce. She know.
I was about to say, I don't know, man. I don't know if my verse is ready for us.
She not. Yo, none of them chicks want to battle me. You know, I'm gonna disrespect the shot. I'm like, like Shuni want to battle me. I fuck with Shuni. I battle Shuni just to grab her ass. Some shit like that.
Oh nah. You not afraid of what these females might do to you in that ring?
What they gonna say?
What
they gonna say? They gonna say the typical fat nigga shit. You know what I mean? I'm gonna pull a daylight. They say the wrong thing. Oh, AJ? Pull the fucking daylight up there. You say the wrong shit to me, dog. Try to play me.
Whoa.
Right out on you.
What male versus female battle you ever watched that you was like, damn, she was cooking this nigga, like, yo, she was kind of going dumb?
I mean, nobody really. I like the old Red and Miss Hustle.
Oh, Red, that was a dope battle.
Old Red was cooking.
Old Red was wildin'. Hustle was wildin' too though. Old Red was wildin'. Old Red funny as hell.
Yo, nah, Bonnie. What's that dude from Cali? She just battled
Peanut.
She was tweaking on that goofy one.
I heard she beat. Who beat Cortez? What bitch?
40 bars. I thought it was a good battle. That was a good battle.
You shouldn't be saying that.
Oh shit.
Cortez. That's my man. You talk hella shit.
Jay like
you losing to fucking.
Nah, I fuck with Cortez heavy, son.
But if he lost,
you seen that battle?
I seen like half.
Him versus 40 bars.
Nah,
but I heard about it.
That was a good battle.
I think didn't he? Didn't he have a little mishap in there? Yeah, but he had a little mishap. My nigga Cool had a mishap, man.
Nah,
but he bounced back good though. He back rolling. Yeah.
Fucking C3 versus Lotta Zay.
Oh, C3 and Tay Rock was wildin', yo.
Oh yeah.
Tay Rock wilded out on. He wilded out on her like a nigga, son. He didn't give a fuck. That's the shit. Yo. When I battled a chick, I played with it like I laughed the whole battle, yo. I want to battle another girl, but I want to really battle like a nigga though, like. I want to battle a chick, man. Set me up, somebody. Debo, what's up, man? I want to battle a girl now. Fuck it. Give me a chick, whoever. She gotta be tall though.
What you think about the state of female battle rap right now?
I think they need more events, man. Like them shits be popping, nigga.
Yeah.
Like them Queen of the Ring shits. I want to go to them shit.
Yeah, cause
them shits be right, nigga. I be in that motherfucker. Yo,
and the ratio, you know what I mean?
Bitches, yeah.
You feel me? So it's like
bitches be wild. No, like for the battle, be bitches in there, but the bitches be dykes though. Like, you know what I'm saying? Be hella gay bitches in the Queen of the Ring battles. Like, don't go there thinking like it's bitches in here. Like, it's hella bitches at the buff. Them bitches is gay, dog. All of them.
He said all of them.
Word. All of them. But nah, like, they need more events, man. Like, I just want to see them, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. What's a female battle that, you know, that gotta go down though, man?
A female battle?
Yeah, that gotta go down.
Shit. Damn. Miss Us on Fire Funeral.
Oh yeah, they got a lot of history.
They got a battle, son. Oh, I want to see it. I want to know what they're gonna say.
Miss Hustle versus Farrah?
Yes. Or even
I want to see Nunu Nails in the ring.
Nunu Nails or Miss Hustle and Miss Hustle.
Nah, I want to see her get a nice little battle in first.
Nah, she got to go to bruh.
This is what's funny. Niggas always do. I'll be bashing. But I really think she might have a chance if she get a battle.
We want to see Rain battle. Rain is the only nigga in NWX that I fuck. No, he not. Nah, I fuck with a couple of
Rain first.
I fuck with Rain. Like when I'm talking about NWX, I don't be thinking about Rain. When I be dissing them, I don't be thinking about Rain. I be thinking about the battle rappers. But I want to see Rain fucking battle though.
Who?
Whoever, man, motherfucker. I
want to see him and Mook.
Man, cause man.
So him and Mook got history, so you know.
The fucking world is considering him a battle rapper, bro, and it ain't right. I gotta see you battle, dog, cause I don't know if you can battle. You can rap, you can make beats, you talented as hell, but niggas think you battle rap, bro. I gotta see it, bro. This is just shit that I need to see. Like, you know what I'm saying? I just want to see it.
Who would you put him against though? On
fucking Daylight, man.
Daylight? Okay.
Yo. Something, man. I want to see Daylight battle a lot of niggas, yo. On URL, though. I want to see Daylight battle,
New Jersey Twerk.
Bill Collector. I want to see Daylight battle that nigga, son.
Bill Collector?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I think that's
why that battle?
That's the best battle.
Oh my god, them niggas don't know.
Niggas don't understand.
We get that old Bill.
Bill
we don't know. Like that's what it's just shit. You know what I'm saying? We just don't know.
On him for moments like that. He like that shit. He hasn't had a moment to really share with the people like that since he been on. He had battle. He had to prove himself. If Bill get
Daylight battle,
that'd be crazy right now.
Who I said?
Get Bill back rolling. Bill need to come on home.
Who you battling? Who Daylight about to battle?
Mike P. You don't like that?
I don't even know Mike P like that. I seen him battle Tick the Demon. That's it. I seen him get popped on.
You battle. Yo, that shit crazy.
Nigga hooked him soft as hell too.
You see
hit him soft as hell.
Well, you said what?
The battle hooked him. Whoever punched Mike P in the face. Hit him soft. That was one of the softest still offs I ever seen. So.
Yeah.
That was like softer than when. Nah. But that was a soft ass swing, man.
Yeah, Mike P took it like a champ. Now he ain't even rubbed him what he doing.
Yeah.
Mike P.
It was that Ryu Ken shit, bro.
Kick the demon. Oh yeah, that.
He ain't learning until.
Can't talk like that. He ain't learning until Tick, like my man said.
Yeah.
That. What else? bring it back to us. I want to see Smash. I want to see, man. I want to see Surfing Rex.
Surfing Rex?
Yeah.
That'd be a crazy dope battle, I think.
I want to see that. I want to see Rex and Reed. These are the niggas I think Rex will bring it out for. I think he gonna bring it out for K-Shine, but he gonna be focused on too much personal shit.
I want to see Talon Bill Collector.
Talon Bill Collector. Yeah, that was one that I was just talking about. Talon. You see my? Again. Talon Bill Collector.
Why does that have to happen on your house?
I just want to see that.
Bill Collector needs to just bring his ass on home. He won't be having these problems. If he just
you just can't keep it. Bill Collector can keep his mouth shut, man. He just
that's his problem.
Speak too fast all the time. He reacts too fast, yo.
As far as entertainment, he's
and then
it
be fucking up shit for him, man.
Like,
I don't know what he's doing.
Rosenberg opened his mouth too much.
He probably doing well. We don't know. You know what I'm saying? But I'm far outside looking in, like, I mean, better, man. I fuck with Bill Collector, man.